진짜 듬벌루프 상관을 뜻이래. 다데 대링한조 체리기 chapter 2도 고조해다. 디 가르레 라고 임바이나 chapter 2기 title 디 respiration in organisms. respiration in organisms 라이드 고조했다. 다디 chapter 디 고조도 잠발라 당분간조 티워디 가르레 라고 임바이나 why does running makes us breathe faster? 기승한조 독샬려 임바이나 로아 니가서 우조쇼 당도도 교실에 사회절 우쇼쇼 당도도 교실에 임반에 교실에 사회절이네 디젤라 먼저 우조쇼 야마 당도도 디 가르치는 제스다 다 교사지고 말하면서 exercise 가르쳐 임반에 if you do any kind of hard exercise 숙심부쇼 제와 임반이나 그래서 우조쇼 당도도 디 가르치는 제스 디워디 아 디라 랭 아주 간데스다 랭 강사때 말때랑 아주 가르쳐 힌치때 다지때 힌디 가르라고 임반나 breathing is a part of respiration. It's not a complete answer, it's just a hint of the answer. Hint kare breathing is a part of respiration. So the tiwadila laying yogi imbana. Why does running makes us breathe faster? If you want to answer that question, right, the hint given for this particular question is breathing is a part of respiration. That di imba sonza ro thangbo tiwadila laying chazang yagosh kyago yogi imbana kar gochu gudo respiration la yago gochu gudo remare. So breathing is a part of respiration. So why we breathe faster during running? We have to understand respiration, since breathing is a part of respiration. So 당아주 respiration 하나 가르도 다인다. Yeah, the respiration 하나 칼라 워레스 나오면 respiration 기 definition 다인다. Respiration 라고 임바이나 the process in which there is release of energy stored in the food is called respiration. So 간지 딩에들라 nutrition 간라 장도 잠발라 animal nutrition, the plant nutrition 장도 잠발라 organism 라 칼라 가르치는 거래래. 간지 지워지다 임바. Why do we eat food? Because khala sayajminde. Khala dinga zo kharjin sagore lana ro. Food contains energy. Manzo subula goya kharugo gore energy go. The energy di khandes ma thungre khala ne energy di ma khandes thungre lawa yimbaina through the process called respiration. So respiration is the process in which there is release of energy stored in the food that we eat. Manzo ki khala sasha yojuma digest chasa vejala subu yongzo ro pa gopse geyo manzo ki digestion, absorption, assimilation and jange ba manzo ki animal nutrition nanglola. So assimilate cha sa vejala cells yongzo la manzo khala sa gyo ga ji chu du gopse gya sa vejela ta chu nanglo yo gi energy de ma tyo go ro. Energy the condense thungurela na through the process of respiration. So the definition the kitchen porada. Respiration, the process in which there is a release of energy stored in the food is called respiration. Right? Respiration, the energy the sulu go the cells which make up our body, they need energy, right? The cells which make up every organism's body, they need energy to perform functions. Cell la di takda lega takda yaku chewala wa cell di lega takda yaku chewala energy cores. Cell lega takda yaku chewa imbana ani organism di alive swembu di igres. Cell lega yaku ma chewa organism shirugro. So cell lega yaku chewala energy core. Energy di ngazo khane ragre respiration ne karsa food ne ragre food ne energy di ma khandes tyungre la na through the process of respiration. Din zambala food food ne ngazo la kharagre energy. Cellular aware ngazo ki cell digela. So cells they work properly to keep us alive. Seo chung so diche. Ta ngazo subu ta wa yimbai na. Khala ro ta wa yimbai na. Food is like our fuel. Food di ngazo che do khare fuel do res. Body, our body ngazo cell the thobung da ro ngazo subu yongzo cells tissues sama khare they are like our engine ngazo ki engine do. Ta ngazo lega yabu chego yobi yimbai na. If engine has to work properly the motor imbainere bagwa imbainere so engine dige lega tagda yagu chego yobi imbaina kola khari gugore fuel gugoro dinanshi manju gu supu gi engine di lega tagda yagu chego yobi imbaina supu gi engine nangzo khari te gugore fuel di khare food te gugor khala te gugor so food is like our fuel, our body is like our engine. So in order to make our body work properly, to keep our body alive, we need to provide food which is like a fuel. Okay, teacher. Why do we respire like cells they need energy to perform functions to keep an organism alive. Cell la cargo energy go cell lega batama so organism sumbu dewala cell lega tagda tagda yago chego re cell lega tagda yago chewala energy ko res mazu thobun samala energy ko res the food has stored energy khala sa yo mazu se sa sha yo mara dinanglo la energy yores energy stored chemical energy yoro which is released during respiration khala nanglo yo gi nyubadi kaduma thungre through the process of respiration. Therefore, all living organisms respire to get energy from food. Tang azo organism dige sangma respire khachin chigyo re law imba na. Thiwala le simple khari na dige all living organisms respire to get energy from food. Khala ni energy ra chi doni respiration chigo reslar. Seo chungso dije. Ta dinge dinge khala so breathing is a part of respiration la so ta jinge gi thiwa tang dizambala why running makes us breathe faster la dizambala ye answer hint kharla yor la so breathing is a part of respiration ta ye respiration la na khala gi magic deshe se kya so ta breathing dila ta breathing the respiration ni di dewa swe na how is breathing related to respiration so I said that breathing is a part of respiration so let's say breathing la na so khala ore u ya the da u ma lue de so khala re breathing la ro so breathing in u ya the di it is also called as inhalation right inhalation repeat here breathing in the langazu khale inhalation okay we breathe in air which is rich in oxygen wanzu u ya tendu zobala lung khar lengore the air which is rich with oxygen ani nanma u ma lyesh to ta nagun lyener khan lyener u ma lyesh to di langazu khale exhalation exhalation lana breathing out right so what do we breathe out we breathe out air which is rich with carbon dioxide ma khari lyo go rang ju gi lung na lo nga ju ma lung lyo gyo jo ro khan ma khalung lyo gyo jo ma di nang lo khari yor la go re carbon dioxide ma nga yor lo seo chung so breathing in inhalation che breathing out exhalation okay so breathing in and out pawaram de gi nga ju shoge tak ba khari tv na ko ji chi da u ya le ma lyo chi do dire ta breathing che tang azu gi ya u ya tenjo de nang lo khari yor la so lung de nang lo la oxygen yor la so it is rich with oxygen oxygen khar chin ko oxygen is transported to all the cells in our body through blood oxygen was u ya lengyo jorwa lung ya lengyo de oxygen yu jo de changma sukbu gi thobu yongzo la oxygen di ko shethe or khandes the or through blood ta gi yu no ko shethe to or so I think the transportation ga jangar jela oxygen helps in the breakdown of food ta azu gi khala ma cha ni energy ra de respiration re la ro so khala ma cha ya de la the breakdown of food right it the breakdown of food requires oxygen khala ma breakdown chevel oxygen ko ta kenzo jil khare bagwa inere motor inere ro ta engine nang lo fuel di me bar ko ro fuel di me banen energy thyo ko ro fuel me bare la khar gu go re oxygen go ro seo chung so ta bagwa da motor gi engine nang lo fuel me bare chi do energy release che chi do oxygen go do ti nang chi go ji kya man ju gi cell nang lo la khala ma breakdown chi du zamba la 수입 로바 고래 oxygen 인지 미주 거 oxygen 매버 이면은 breakdown 차도 말이야 보진 와 so the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy is called cellular respiration 네 cellular respiration 나이즈네서 respiration of cellular respiration 하는 the process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration 안주기 터부 나올라 칼라타 칼라 디게 sama kopshe gegerlaso khala gi nyuju dige sama so food is broken down in order to release energy in presence of oxygen ne dila loyer dila hanzu khala re cellular respiration le seo chungse cellular respiration ta cellular respiration la type ni yorta cellular respiration la sto the breakdown of food inside the cell to release energy is called cellular respiration so cellular respiration la type ni yore type thangbu dikharela na aerobic respiration aerobic respiration la sixto ti khala ore aerobic la na khala ore la win na when the breakdown of glucose tang glucose la sto ti khala da food anzu ke carbohydrate ma cha last tang khare chu di kharcha ore glucose will get assimilated within the body right so glucose is a food glucose the cell na diro so cell gi che du khala khare glucose re so glucose is broken down right in order to release energy in presence of oxygen that is called as aerobic respiration type thangbu khare cellular respiration ki type thangbu di aerobic respiration Aerobic respiration na khachi gore khala glucose is broken down to release energy in presence of with use of oxygen. That is called as aerobic respiration. The aerobic respiration na la byproduct kharthyo gore. Byproduct kharthyo gore la na carbon dioxide the water. The mo achala ni di thing. Carbon dioxide and water thyo gore. Koya nga zo kharu gore energy ko gore. So glucose is broken down in order to release energy plus carbon dioxide and water with the use of oxygen. That type of cellular respiration is called aerobic respiration. The type thangu chaswa. Type niwa khariore anaerobic respiration. Tadi sik dige samung nyam do repeat chema do. Anaerobic respiration type niwa dirda. Anaerobic respiration aro khachu gore oxygen use chigo marteda. The glucose which is present inside the cell, it is broken down in order to release energy. Ani didu zambal kharchi gore la na ro oxygen use chigo mar. Oxygen use ma che du zambal la energy tis nuwa tingur khalane. Energy tis nuwa tingur nyam do la khar tingur la na alcohol plus carbon dioxide tingur. Di ngazu sobuna yungu mar tha ngazu sobuna alcohol produce chigo mar. Sui chigre yeast cell ki chigre. So di ima sonza yeast ten ngazu kharle gre khonzula anaerobes. Yeast are anaerobes. Yeast lana kharre lawa imena yeast lana kharre na tingiro akyunze yeast lawa imena they are unicellular organisms. Yeast lana bet mo thabun chi group sha yogi sokcha ndere. So unicellular organisms and ngazu unicellular organism ni ngazu khole pije chigore changda ara soyal pije chigore dijugo mare ni ngazu pa zini hata da meda zi jang tingmo soyo didu zambal ngazu yeast ludo yeast lana khare yeast powder dim khare lawina they are unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms di kharchi gore ngazu gi khala nanglo le yota ngazu gi chang soya imbaina ni data to ma ni ro chun ani khona le yeast ludo zambala data thona yo glucose di ma cha ni kharchi gore khorana energy ra gore ngazu lo goya di khara gore ara di ro alcohol chang den na alcohol yoro ani tingmo ro se du zambala pa du ya lang yu do khajin tang gore la na dibula carbon dioxide khang gore gas khang gore so yeast they do anaerobic respiration. Also, glucose is broken down without the use of oxygen. It is called as anaerobic respiration. Byproduct khartyam gore alcohol da carbon dioxide nyamdo la energy. Seuchungso. Adi anaerobic respiration de yeast de tongo do. So the yeast yeast cells. Chinju do cell ne. Yeast cell ngazo kharche ju pheji chi wala so tingmo so de zamala pa jini ngazo ge yeast lu ro. Chela pa de khali khali ya lang yu do. Nanglo khar khang gore carbon dioxide ni tis cumulo chagda di kare alcohol seuchungse di chikche chang yele pijiro ngazo ki chang beer beer sa pijiro so yeast kharchi gore anaerobic respiration di chikche taya ngazo gi subu gi muscle cell ngazo subu gi muscle cell during heavy exercise ngazo exercise shuk chumbu ro chewe imba na cha shuk chumbu ne kya ro dukshable ro jam shuk chumbu ne kyab chewe imba na the muscle cell during heavy exercise they do not get sufficient oxygen tagda rawo mar oxygen tagda mara de zambala glucose is still broken down glucose the ne khachu gore still broken down in order to release energy subul energy go gorwa so glucose oxygen ne wake up oxygen nyung ta wake up la and energy ma the glucose is broken down to release energy plus lactic acid die khare anaerobic respiration ki type chigrada anaerobic respiration chik sui chi yeast ki chi yo chik sui chi re muscle cell during heavy exercise. During heavy exercise, there is temporary deficiency of oxygen, which makes our muscle cells respire anaerobically to meet energy demand. Energy go gore di masonza muscle cell ki kharchi re oxygen me we imba ne ro glucose ki kharchi re ma cha ne energy tingur tin yam dol khar tingur lactic acid tingur so lactic acid le dian dugo ji khare yor la imba na cha ge ro muscle cramps. It causes muscle cramps ngazu muscle cell nanglo lactic acid mangbu sa wa imba na ngazu cha yer adi cha di sa ya la ngazu kharche go gore we have to take hot water bath and we have to give massage che go massage chewa che ani hot water bath chewa imba na ani muscle cramp di nyung ru tu reslar muscle cramps ta cha ya jo mara di so di dis nyung khajin du re la na ngazu ki blood circulation massage to che hot water bath chewa imba na cha ya sa ja de la blood circulation yaurdo and blood circulation yaurdo de zambala and oxygen tata li ro oxygen tata le women lactic acid de ma cha jor causes energy thang or did zambala ni lactic acid ne cha de ani cha ge sang ro 세우충세 야, 다 breathing and breathing rate kan ta enda. The breathing lana ye thaji teshi kya so. Breathing lana u ya le ma lyo che de la breathing la ores la so. Breathing rate lana khar la ore. So breathing rate la de zambala thamunya la breath lana khar la ge me ha go enda. Breath lana anjo gi u ya chig le u ma chig lyo chig le breath chig la ore. So breathing rate la wa imba na. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is called as breathing rate. Breathing rate lana 미치기 까마직 나로라 우 가져야 동렘 가지치도 딜랑한서 칼레데 breathing rate 그래서 the speed at which a person breathes in a minute is called as breathing rate or 디치나티르테 the number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate 디키라서 장가지 있는 디그 직제 니체란로 장가지다 키라서 rest 데 잠발라 breathing rate 가져레샤 타이어 제무제사베 제라 breathing rate 가져레샤 체크체 그래서 니군이야 랑사스 갑라니 breathing rate 가져레샤와야 타이어 세우종세 so breathing rate 만다요 먼저 그 속부기 activity 간라 시샤니로 아니 먼저 그 breathing rate 만다요 activity 망아친다 니 라와 이면으로 기시 activity 숙충부로 제 exercise 로 제는 먼저 그 breathing rate 디 파사요 망아치기 먼저 좋아 기시 먼저 흘려지는 데데요나 rest 데데요나 먼저 그 breathing rate 가려래 slow 차요 세우종소 so breathing rate 라나 세우종소 the normal adult human 먼저 loktem na kharate a normal adult human breathing rate is 15 to 18 times per minute 먼저 이 normal 당아서 수불 흘려진 데데요나 아니 미지기 adult 미지기로 우야마 돈레 테마 가지고 지고래 15 to 18 times per minute exercise 숙충부 채워나다 미다가랑 그러다 adult human being exercise 숙충부로 급샤로 훈련을 쪼로 하는 봐 당디가 고런 이숨스 잠수 로레 왜냐면 아니 breathing rate 야 파르그레스 it can increase up to 25 times per minute 와 기시 급샤로 왜냐면 breathing rate 가르치 it will go up 25 times per minute 다디 가르치니 단지 저와 임방은 오션 볼 교실로도 정말 오마 가진 why running makes us breathe faster line 봐 so 가진 지원 if a person needs extra energy or if a person needs extra energy he or she breathes faster 기시 아주 루제지도 정말 아주 소불 에너지 망하고 에너지 망하고 이도 정말 아니 미디 가지고래 오 요가 당 거레스 봐 근데 지워디 마든지 why does running makes us breathe faster 가지니 봐 네 during heavy exercise like running a person needs more energy 교샤르도 정말 에너지 망하고 그래서 whenever a person needs extra energy 망하고 이도 정말 he or she breathes faster 가지고 에너지 망하고 이도 정말 오 교가 당 그래서 오 교가 당도 정말 as a result more oxygen is supplied to our cells 오 교가 당나 아주 수풀 셀 디게라 oxygen 망하라 그래 oxygen 망하라나 아니 칼라마 짠 에너지 때 프로세스 저와 디 가지래 교가 두래 아니 에너지 망아 되면 임바이나니 아주 비제 딱다 야고 제도 디르다 answer 디트는 디 세우충세 맞다 지워디기 랜디 라서 오케이